Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, this video is for those who doesn't have much skills in graphic design. But with Canva, you can easily make a design like this. So, keep watching till the end. First, go to Canva website, then scroll down and choose Documents. Then start from a blank page. Change the color of the background. Add text, change the color and font. Go to Elements, select a shape, and place it where you want, then adjust. Copy the same shape or take another, place it on the other side. Do the same thing again. Add some more texts, change the font and color. Search for some elements that will go with the design. Add those elements wherever you like. Now again, go to Elements, take a shape, and place it like this. Then copy the same element and fill the rest of the place. Add some more elements if you want. I would like to have some dry leaves in my design, so I'm using them. I'm using some organic shapes, but you can use any shape you want. Do the same thing as before, copy and fill the page. And that's it. You can copy this page and make more pages and download it as PDF.